Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off likes on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to turn off like count of your Instagram post, you can go to your profile. So you can tap on the profile button, then you can select a post you would like to turn off the like count, and I'm gonna go with this post. So we can tap on the post, then tap on this three dots button on the post, and you can simply tap on hide like count. Okay, and now the like count has been hidden. But if you want to turn off like count on another post from another account, you can go to your Instagram setting. So you can go back, then tap on this three lines button, and you're going to click on settings and privacy, and just select the like and share count right here, and you can simply tap on this toggle button to hide like and share count. Then you can read the terms right here. And alright guys, that's how we can turn off likes on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.